If you are looking for an ISO-certified PP woven bag manufacturer in Vietnam, there are 3 default rules that every importer follows before choosing a factory. Rule 1. Verify the real manufacturing capability. A true factory should operate complete production lines, including polypropylene extrusion, circular loom weaving, and bag cutting and sewing. Rule 2. Confirm the quality control system. An ISO-certified PP woven bag manufacturer in Vietnam should follow standardized production procedures and perform inspections such as fabric weight checks and tensile strength testing. Rule 3. Evaluate export experience. Reliable manufacturers regularly produce large volumes and pack PP woven bags efficiently for container shipment to international markets. Following these 3 rules helps importers identify a trustworthy PP woven bag manufacturer Vietnam ISO certified and reduce sourcing risks.